Hi, I'm Don Bullock. Welcome to WB Fine Woodworking. I live here in the San Diego area of Southern California with my wife Pam and our 6 Basset Hounds. WB Fine Woodworking and this YouTube channel were started as a way for me to share my woodworking knowledge and experience with all of you. I've been working with wood for as long as I can remember, and I've been making furniture and other major projects for the last 60 years. I'll be sharing shop projects, handy tools, tips and tricks, and some woodworking projects. My goal is to help and inspire you, my viewers. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you'll subscribe and become a regular viewer. I'm very excited about the possibilities of this channel.